welcome back to another video. So today I'll be reviewing and demoing my Valentino Beauty Pure Nail Dust Collector. So this is the Gen 3. I know they're on the Gen 4 now, but this is the Gen 3. And it is a little bit heavy. So if you were to want to move it from one side of your table to the other side, you'd have to use both hands because it is a little bit heavy. So there on the sides, there's these little holes, and those are air vents, and it has vents on both sides. So this is where the air gets pushed out from. And here, this is the on and off button. Very simple, very easy to use. And this is where you plug the cord in, and it is a thick cord. And it also has a 3-pick plug. So it's very easy to remove to clean. You just have to pull that out and push the V-grate off very easily. And then you just push out the filter. And so you just push out the filter, and then you remove all your dust, you clean it off, and then you put it back in place and push the V-grate back on. And then you pop that back in, and it's ready to use. So when you turn it on, it starts off on high, and as you turn the knob lower, it goes lower and lower. So yeah, you guys, that's how it sounds. It is loud. It sounds like a blow dryer when you turn on your blow dryer and you have it on high, and it's pretty loud. But as you turn the knob down lower, it does get a little bit more quieter. And so yeah, you guys, this is what it looks like, and this is what it sounds like. And when I bought this, I got it in a bundle for $3.50, and it came with 3 extra filters. So in total, it came with 4 filters. And this is what the fan looks like. All these little holes underneath those holes inside of the machine, that's where the fan is, and it's a pretty big fan, and it works really, really good. I love this dust collector, you guys. So now we'll be jumping into the demo. So now I'll be demoing on one of my nails. I'm going to be removing the gel polish on one of my nails. So if you can see, all of that gel polish is getting pulled into one little area on the filter. You don't see the dust flying around everywhere. It's out of my face. I'm not inhaling any of that dust. You can just see the dust getting pulled into the filter. I really do recommend this dust collector. You guys, it works great. I know a lot of people don't like it because it's heavy or because it's too loud, but I don't have a problem with that. I don't mind that. As long as the dust is out of my face and out of my client's face, it works for me. So now, look at all of that dust, you guys. It all got collected in one little area. It's not all over the place. You guys, I really love this dust collector and I really recommend it to you guys. And also the back to this filter, it works good to minimize the odor of your liquid, of your monomer. So that's also a plus. So now we're just cleaning off the V-grate. We're going to slide that back in and put it into place. And we're all done, you guys. Thank you guys all so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one. And thank you all so much for watching. Bye.